it confuses me.
Your plan confuses me. Oh, crap.
I am.
You're gonna climb down the hill while you're hula hooping. I want to see this. Go ahead. You're on video.
I'm eating.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna get whacked by the hula hoopers. Go ahead. I'm watching you. Oh. Nothing. Go ahead.
Come on, Bert.
Woo! Let me see you shake your tail feathers.
Almost did it.
She did it. She's almost there. Fish sticks and custard. Oh, she's got to get over the median still. Holy crap! Holy crap!
You did it.
Next, we're going to put you in roller skates.
Seriously?
She could probably do it.
I think she can't.
No, I think she probably could. Did you see how the incline on this hill? She's still going.
Come on, Bert.
Now can you get back up the hill?
Wait.
Wow. You gotta get over the median.
Play this.
Olivia's got the Flamin' Hot Cheetos for you if you can make it. Oh my gosh, she did it. She's going up the steepest part of the hill too. Alright. Come on. We're at 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Oh, are you doing it? Oh! Oh, you made it. That counts.